Hello and welcome, guys. This video is going to be how to start an online coaching business. I'm going to be giving you like a no bullshit guide on how you should go about starting your online coaching business, give you the truth of what it's actually like and what it is you need to be doing. I'm not going to hold anything back. If you don't know who I am, my name's Tom Hutchison. I work with coaches, helping them make their first like 3 to 5K online. I don't have any call to actions in this video. I'm not going to try and sell you onto a course or anything of that nature. I literally just want to provide more value for free in these videos than people will have you pay for. If you're interested in that, please hit the subscribe button and let's get into this. So where to start? The offer is kind of the foundation before the foundation. And when we talk about an offer, we're not necessarily talking about kind of like, special offer or discounts or anything like that. Your offer is like who you target, what do you do for them, what's the price, is there a guarantee, how long is it going to take? There's many components to an offer, which I'll make a full video on. But simply, we're going to go through 4 points that you need to consider. You can write this down and craft it here and now with me. But this is going to be a big help to you and something you need to do. So you need to think, who do I target? Market in pain. It has to be a market in pain. It can't just be somebody who's like not that bothered about solving the problem that you solve and that you target. For example, I had somebody the other day who charged like $1,000 to help women learn to do a press up. Now, I don't know about you, and I might be wrong, but I don't know that many women who really care that much about learning to do a press up. It tends to be like they want to lose weight, they want to work on their appearance, they want to become stronger, feel better in themselves. It's not that much of a painful thing when it comes to doing a press up. I mean, they had the next point down, which is what result do I generate, desired outcome, but it has to be, a painful problem that people want to solve. And also with your desired outcome, it can't just be, like I help busy men and women, get in great shape and feel amazing. You want to be a little bit more specific. Even if it's not in like your bio, it has to be in your head that you do a specific thing for a specific person. So for example, I helped mainly like yoga type people learn to do a handstand. So I had in my head who those people were, and I would reach out to them in like yoga communities, like handstand communities, and I would create content around that to attract them so that they would actually, engage in my content so that I could reach out to them. Like I did a lot of handstands in nature and I knew that attracted them. Kind of a weird, very niche thing. But when you're speaking to your clients, you need to make sure that you're creating content that solves their problem. So the right price as well. Can they afford it? You don't really want to be charging like super high ticket to maybe like 18-year-old girls because they're likely not going to have £2,000 for a 90-day program. Whereas if you were targeting people who are a little bit older, maybe like, 35 plus, like busy worker professionals who wanted to drop £10 in 90 days, in that case, you could probably charge a little bit more for it. Can you find them online? So this is something that you need to consider as well. Are there communities based around my niche? For example, weight loss. There is just a ton of communities out there. There's a ton of places that you can find people who want to lose weight. And if you are putting your messaging across in the right way and you are being authentic online and providing that value, then you will likely find the people that you want to have. So that's the offer. Write that down, kind of answer these questions, for yourself. And yeah. So how do I actually get clients? There are millions of methods out there. They all work. If you have no money for ads or you don't have a big following, then the strategy is very, very simple. You're going to be creating content based around who you target and based around your offer. You're going to be reaching out to the people who engage with that content, and you're going to be trying to book calls with them. Okay. And I know that sounds really, really, really simple, but trust me when I say this, the simple things in this industry work the best. It's like with dieting. It's like with working out. The simple, effective diets, like a simple calorie deficit and 10,000 steps a day will make someone lose like a significant amount of weight. And how simple is that? They didn't even have to go to the gym and perform any kind of squat or anything like that, or any kind of technical movement. So you already know that the simple things work, and the same applies in business. The same applies in building this. There is no like silver bullet. There is no magic potion out there that's going to, explode your business. And I don't care what you hear other gurus saying. And obviously there are ways about going and doing the content and the outreach that will, improve the way you do this, but there is kind of no other method that you should switch to. Now, within content, within outreach, obviously we do have different methods, but that's what we're going to cover on this channel. And if you want some more in-depth stuff on this, I've got a Facebook group where, again, there's no like course call to actions. It's all just like training videos like this one. And if you want that, the link's going to be in the bio, so you can just go and join that and watch what's in there, and it will give you some more strategies around the content and outreach. So now what? Understand this, guys. There is no silver bullet or magic pill. You looking for a fancy way to build a business is like someone who's trying to lose weight diet hopping. So how sick of it do you get when like weight loss clients like, oh, intermittent fasting or keto diet or, whatever else, or like Herbalife or weight loss shakes, there's all this like bollocks out there. There is, and there is. And it's the same with this. Okay. I saw somebody put something on Facebook the other day. It was like the coaching industry starting to look like the weight loss industry, everybody hopping around different methods and never actually getting the result that they want. The more you stick to doing like your style of outreach and your style of content and doing the calls, the better you will get at them. So the longer you stick at it, the more you will make from it in a business sense, and the more free you will be from your coaching business. We know this doesn't work. Business isn't sexy, but the life it gives you is. So I don't want you to go into this thinking it's going to be like super easy, bang, the online coaching lifestyle, we can go to Dubai now, it's all going to be fine. It's really not like that. And I don't want you to go into this if you're not ready for a little bit of work and to understand that this isn't going to be like a super sexy lifestyle in the beginning. But after a while, the business, the work actually isn't sexy, but the lifestyle it gives you is. Like for me, I'm at a point now where I can pretty much do what I want, work where I want, when I want, and I love doing it. So for me, the lifestyle is sexy, so to speak. But yeah, guys, I hope you found that helpful. If there's any questions, put them in the comments. I will reply to all of them. And then if you want to join the Facebook group, like I said, the link's going to be in the description where you can get access. We can have a chat, or you can just look at the content in there and see what you find useful. But yeah, that's it, guys. See you in the next video.